Is your eBay store sales graph looking more like a nosedive than a launchpad? Don't let a sluggish eBay store get you down. In this quick guide, we'll tackle the most common issues holding back your sales and show you how to turn things around. First, let's supercharge your listings. Click on My eBay, then Selling. Navigate to Active Listings for each item. Ask yourself, are the photos crystal clear, showing every angle? Is the title keyword-rich and descriptive, using terms buyers are actually searching for? And is the description detailed, highlighting benefits and answering potential questions up front? If not, it's time for an update. Next, customer service is king. Go to your messages within eBay. Respond quickly and politely to all buyer inquiries. Positive feedback is gold, so make sure every interaction leaves a great impression. Consider offering a friendly thank you note with each shipment or a small discount on their next purchase to encourage repeat business. Now, let's talk pricing. Head back to your active listings. Are your prices competitive? Do a quick search for similar items on eBay to see what others are charging. Consider offering best offer to give buyers a chance to negotiate. And explore promotional tools within eBay to run sales or offer discounts. Remember, sometimes a slight price adjustment can unlock a wave of new buyers. Finally, review your shipping strategy. Are your shipping costs reasonable? Offering free shipping, even if you build it into the item price, can be a powerful draw. Ensure you're shipping promptly and providing tracking information. Speed and reliability build trust. By optimizing your listings, enhancing customer service, and refining your pricing, you can breathe new life into your eBay store and watch those sales start to climb.